First thing first, I would like to introduce the company's background. The Samsung Group is a South Korean multinational manufacturing conglomerate headquartered in Samsung Town, Seoul, South Korea. Samsung was founded as a grocery trading store in March 1, 1938. Samsung has a very humble beginning whereby the Samsung's founder, Byung-chul Lee, set up a trade export company in Korea. Within a decade, Samsung had flour mills and confectionery machines and became a corporation in 1951. In 1969, Samsung Electronics was established, producing what Samsung is famous for, like televisions, mobile phone, radios, computer components, and other electronic devices. With the success of its electronics business, Samsung has been recognized globally as a top 10 global brand. Samsung's mission statement is, "We will devote our human resources and technology to create superior products and services, thereby contributing to a better global society." This corporate mission was published in the 1990s when the company was undergoing rapid global expansion in various semiconductors, electronic and related technology market. Based on its business operations and current international industry positioning, Samsung focused on the following component in its corporate mission. First is human resources and technological resources. Second is superiority of product and service. And lastly, improvement of the global society. Samsung's corporate vision is to inspire the world with our innovative technologies, products and design that enrich people's life and contribute to social prosperity by creating a future. The company follows this vision statement to maintain profitable technology business operation that contribute to the improvement of people's life. The company extensively implements this statement throughout its subsidiaries operation in the consumer electronic, computing technology and semiconductors industry. The following components are contained in Samsung's vision statement. First is global inspiration, second is innovation, and last improvement of life for the future social prosperity. Based on the Samsung Electronics Sustainability Report 2020, we would like to highlight the company's goal. First and foremost, by remaining steadfast in their effort to contribute to the global economy by creating innovative technologies and products. Next, as a global corporate citizen, Samsung Electronics will continue to create environmental and social values while achieving positive economic outcomes. Other than that, they are also promoting ways to improve Earth environment through initiatives such as establishing the Samsung Particulate Matter Research Institute. Moreover, to minimize the environmental impact of the products, they will continue their effort in extending their life cycle and reducing electronic waste. Last but not least, they will be more prudent to the potential social impact of their products and services with regard to personal information protection and cyber security, and will strengthen their activities to protect and improve the workplace environment of the employees and those of their suppliers.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Balqis Binti Hosni. My matric number is 2020854036 and I am presenter number 2. Now we move to manufacturing process and technology apply. So we decide to choose handphone, which is one of the Samsung product, as our reference. For the manufacturing handphone process, we divide it into two parts, which are the body and the screen. For the body, it is made from injection molding process. Before that, we need to make the mold for the shape of the handphone that we want to produce by using CNC milling machine. For the injection molding process, first we need to put material in the hopper and the material will melt. After that, it will be injected into the mold and it will produce part according to the mold shape. After we finish the injection molding process, we move to another process, which is anodizing process. Anodizing is an electrochemical process that converts the metal surface into a decorative, durability and corrosion resistant. Basically, anodizing process is to improve the quality of the material. For the final process of making body part is drilling process. Drilling process is done by using CNC drill machine. The purpose of drilling process is to make the hole on the body part, such as a hole for speaker, to charge phone, and to plug earphone. Other than that, it is purpose to make the side and edge of the body part and phone to have a better surface finish. For making screen phone processes, it can only done by trained and expert workers. It is because the screen manufacturing process should be done carefully according to the procedure. The first step to make screen phone is SCF attaching, which is to paste the conductive film on the LCD. Second, bonding with CCD. The purpose is to detect the defect during the bonding process. The CCD can produce clearer image of tiny defect. Third, pulse kit bonding. Fourth, FOG function test. It is purpose to determine the permeability of coating and seal in elevated ambient temperature. Fifth, pre-curing and clean. It is purpose to make sure there is no dust and tiny particle. Lastly, OCA bonding. OCA is also known as silicone optical clear adhesive that fill air gaps between components in LCD display. The body phone and screen phone are assembled together after insert all the components in the body part. These two parts are assembled together by using adhesive glue.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Nurul Amirah as a presenter 3 and I would like to explain the defect probably happen during manufacturing process. There is a lot of error when it comes to injection molding. Quality issue in injection molded products can range from minor surface to more serious problem that can affect the safety, performance and product functionality. They can be caused by the problem related to the process, material used, tooling design and a combination of all three. Let's look at the most common quality defect related to injection molding, what caused them and what you can do to prevent them. Here are 3 defects I will explain later. First is wet line defects, second is short, and the last one is delamination. Wet line is the hair-like line appears on the surface of a molded part where the molten material has converged after splitting off into 2 or more directions in a mold. Wet line is a result of a weak material bonding which lower the strength of the part. Hence, the common remedies for wet line in molded part include increasing the material temperature to prevent partial solidification, raising injection speed and pressure to limit cooling before the material has filled the mold, and also can switch to a material with lower melting temperature. Let's moving on to the second defect. A short occurs when the flow of molten material doesn't completely fill the cavity in the mold. Short are typically classified as a major defects that can inhibit the function or appearance of the molded part. It commonly caused by gate blockage or due to low pressure and not enough heat. To prevent short is by considering the following steps. We can redesign the mold with wider channel or gate for better flow, or increasing the injection speed or pressure, and it is possible to add additional air vent or enlarge existing vent in the mold to allow trapped air to escape. If you find a thin layer on the surface of a molded part are easily separating or peeling off the underlying material, you are seeing a molded defect called delamination. The most common cause of delamination is contamination of the base material with a foreign material. The two materials cannot properly bond to each other, resulting loss of strength of the material would be dangerous if your part is intended for a safety crucial use. Consider the following corrective action to prevent recurrence if you discover delamination affecting your molded parts. You can increase the mold temperature or pre-dry the material properly if excess moisture is an issue. You also can ensure workers are properly storing and handling the base material to prevent contamination.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. My name is Sabrina Binti Norafandi. Call me Sabrina. So today I will continue this presentation representing the element IR 4.0 we have adopted in this company. So without further ado, let's go. Before continuing with this presentation, maybe some of you have been questioning what is Industrial Revolution 4.0? So IR 4.0 is the transformation of industry with the help of information and communication technology and connected with the Internet of Things, which is IoT. So basically, IR 4.0 is a new phase of industry with the help of IoT. So what are some of the IR 4.0 elements that have been applied by Samsung company? Let's check it out. First one is industrial robot. Industrial robot is a robot system for manufacturing. It can be automated, it can be programmed to perform any task, and capable of moving to 3 or more axes. An industrial robot is called as flexible automation, as it can perform any task anywhere, everywhere, and it has more than one function, but it can be reprogrammed to perform different types of robotic application. One of the advantages of industrial robot is it can replace human in operation, which is a good thing, as it can reduce human error, it can improve the productivity. Here are some videos of the industrial robot. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity protects integrity of the system, safeguarding personal data, and protect company's reputation. It consists of 4 stages, which is detection, analysis, prevention, and protection. Potential cybersecurity threats can be reduced through proactive detection, and then with AI-based cybersecurity, it operates the threat and analyze a solution. Then analyze solution collected and then gives early warning to the company as a prevention, and then to protect the company from any potential security threats. So that is how cybersecurity works in Samsung company. The last one is artificial intelligence or AI. AI is the ability of a computer or a robot controlled by a computer to do tasks that are usually done by humans because they require human intelligence. The other word is AI can replace human intelligence, but with the help of computer. Samsung connected AI services to the users and needed to develop devices that are user-centric through AI technology that are always there, always safe, always helpful, and always learning. So Samsung company uses AI technology to communicate and connect with human or with users through customer services. So that is the 3 elements of IR 4.0 that have been applied by Samsung company. So that's all for me, and let's continue this presentation with the last presenter. Thank you. Have a good day.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Natasha Amirah Binti Aziz. So today I will explain about how Samsung company implement the Sustainable Development Goals India manufacturer. What is SDG? SDG, or also known as the Global Goals, were adopted by the United Nations in 2015 as a universal call to action to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure that by 2030, all people enjoy peace and prosperity. Firstly, Samsung company was established the circular economy principle to minimize social and environmental impact and to use resources efficiently throughout the entire product life cycle. They carry out various circular economy activities at every stage. The first one is using a sustainable materials. Samsung Electronics is developing bioplastic materials to apply for product and packaging materials. In 2019, bioplastic containing 37% of biomass were used in part of the front casing of the Galaxy S10e. Next, one of their goals is to increase the use of recycled plastic to reach 500,000 tonnes by 2030. To achieve this goal, in 2019, recycled plastics are used to produce products like air conditioner, TVs, mobile phone charger, and many more. Second, Samsung company also run the education program through the ICT knowledge to plan for a better future for local residents and communities. The first program is Samsung Smart School. They offer digital education to more than 3.8 million students around the world who have limited access to education resources. One of the selected schools is Cheontaek Elementary School in South Korea. It is a small school with 24 students in a rural area. They provided digital devices so that students could produce their own video content to express their ideas and communicate with the world throughout the digital technology. Second program is Samsung Solve for Tomorrow. More than 1.69 million students from more than 20 countries participated in this program to spread the culture of innovation and creativity among school and community. One of the activities is Smart Bicycle Helmet, which developed by the students in New York that provide real-time information to the cyclists about their immediate surroundings by using the sensors. Lastly, Samsung company make efficient use of water through the 3R campaign, which is reduce, reuse, and recycle. One of their activities is Earth Day campaign. In every year, they are celebrating World Water Day by carrying out the river and marine ecosystem activities together with local government, civil organizations, and nearby schools. They took part in volunteer activities to help preserve the ecosystem near the worksite. So, that's all from me. Thank you.